Every evening, Hachiko, a dog, would wait for his owner to return from work in a train station. His owner, Professor Ueno, passed away suddenly, but Hachiko kept waiting in the station every day, believing his owner would come back. Hachiko passed away on March 8, 1935, near Shibuya Station in Tokyo, the very place where he had waited for his owner for nearly 10 years. Today, a statue of Hachiko stands at the station, remembering his loyalty forever. Please share this video to every loyal friend around you.